Hot rookies for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Ben Scrivens. The franchise for the Philadelphia Flyers, Claude Giroux. Hot rookie for the New Jersey Devils, Adam Henrique. Hot rookie for the Ottawa Senators, Roman Wick. Making an entrance, Marc-Andre Fleury for the Pittsburgh Penguins. All the base cards that you guys, we give them to big brothers, big sisters here in Ottawa. Score B, Alex Ovechkin for the Washington Capitals. Of course, we have to hit one of these ones. Hot rookie for the Calgary Flames, Lance Bauma, or Boma. Net cam of Martin Brodeur for New Jersey. Hot rookie Blake Geoffrion for the Nashville Predators. I saw your case of certified today, Soupter. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, hot rookie Jake Gardiner. Hot rookie for the New York Rangers, Cam Talbot. Hey, no worries. I spend so much money there, they'll give you guys deals. Sudden death, game-winning goal in overtime, Piquet Subban for Montreal. Hot rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Thomas Kubalik. Making an entrance, Calgary Flames, Mika Kiprasov. A golf nut is the Landeskog finished. Hot rookie for the Ottawa Senators, Colin Greening. You lost it. $36. And our last hot rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Joe Colborne. Yeah, it is a lot better. Yeah, the Duchesne hit was a sudden death. I believe someone was asking about it. Yeah, the guy last week though for the 150, I believe it was the platinum. He was saying it was a 1 of 1. He was advertising it as a 1 of 1. Yeah, there is. There's the platinum variation as well, which is just 1 of 1s. Which is hard to tell in the rookies because the rookie ones seem like they're platinum. Alright, we'll move into our box number 3. We'll take a break with the big stuff. We'll go with 06-07 Sweet Shot. So Sweet Shot number 08807838. You've never seen Sweet Shot? So this is the 06-07. First hit, Sweet Beginnings, numbered 437 out of 499 for the Dallas Stars. Nicholas Grossman, 2-color swatch. For the Calgary Flames, Signature Saves, puck autograph of Mika Kiprasov. Puck signing. Sweet Stitches, numbered 113 out of 200. Also for the Dallas Stars, Marty Turco. And our base card for the Minnesota Wild, Marian Gaborik. I think everyone could have had Dallas. Yeah, very weak tin. And back in the day, those tins were going for like $150. Alright, we'll open Series 1. Box number 95836672. Alright, Series 1, here we go.